So today we were practicing how we would evacuate the school and get to higher ground in the case that Mount Rainier were to erupt and lahar flow was headed this way.
I am told this exercise was the largest volcanic exercise in North America. We evacuated between 7,000 and 8,000.
Today at school, we had the whole school come and walk this route, and we just gathered here. And then once we get to the fairgrounds, we did our roll call. We gathered the school together to make sure everyone's here. And if in the real case of the lahar, we walk up the hill out of the valley in order to avoid the lahar.
So today was a success because of all of the hard work of many people, and our principals and staff and students did an excellent job ahead of time preparing for this day. And there were so many partner agencies that helped us get ready for this day. Probably too many to name, but I want to highlight a few that really stand out. Certainly the City of Puyallup Emergency Management Division, Puyallup Police Department, Central Pierce Fire, the Pierce County Incident Management Team had some folks supporting us, Pierce County Department of Emergency Management, and a special shout out to our Puyallup School District School Resource Officers, Officer Ketter, who really were on the ground making sure everyone was safe, knew what to do. A lot of moving parts and a lot of people made it happen. On behalf of the Puyallup School District staff and students, we owe a big thank you to our partner agencies. It was a team effort and we could not have done it without you.